Hi, this is David. In this quick tutorial I want to show you just how easy it is to insert videos into your Engage interactions. So I'm beginning here in the new interaction window. Let's say we want to insert a video into a process interaction. So we just select process and then click OK. And this brings us to the new process interaction window. So we can insert one or more videos into our tabs. So with the introduction tab, the step tabs, if we had a summary tab we could also insert one there. But let's just work off the introduction tab for this example. So over here on the right panel we have an Add Media button. Go ahead and click that and navigate your folders to a video. I have one right here, so select it and click Open. This brings open the Multimedia Properties window. You have a couple options to modify the position of the video and the size, and you can also include a play bar. I'll go ahead and select that option, but I won't select Auto Start, and click OK. So you can see right here the thumbnail preview just replaced the Add Media button, so we can see our video. At this point, if we wanted to continue adding videos, we could, right? We could click the additional steps and then go ahead and repeat the process. But let's just go ahead and publish our interaction and take a look at how this turned out. So click Publish, and here's our interaction. So we have our text over here, and obviously we could add a lot more to that. Our video's in the top right, which is the default position, and we have our little play bar right down here. Click Play, and there goes the video. We can pause it, and of course we can scrub through the video by clicking and dragging. So again, very easy. You can continue to add these to all the different tabs, but essentially adding a video is just as simple as clicking an Add Media button and selecting a video.